Welcome back. This is Excellent Laborer here. Today is day 105 of the house building project, and I'm just going to clean up things in the garage and get ready to get some gravel put on this bad boy today. Stay tuned. You got any tips for somebody wanting to build their own house?
Yeah, stay single.
Getting me a load of gravel put in here. Right, we got it squared away where I wanted it. He's gonna dump it right here in the middle of the driveway. Nice load at number 57. Looks like there's enough gravel. Excellent. Boy, that was exciting.
Hey, go ahead and subscribe to this channel.
Go ahead and also smash that like button. That'd be great. It really helps out the channel.
Appreciate it, man.
There he goes. That was one cool guy, man. All right, let's see how much 25 tons of gravel cost me. At $17.05 a ton, it looks like we came up to $625.21 after delivery and tax. So here's a good Excellent Laborer tip. I've been waiting to get this gravel delivered until I had somebody local that could spread it for me instead of calling an excavator to spread it, because you know you get delivery fees and all that. So I just went up to this job site where these people just broke ground on a house and they had a bobcat there, and I just asked them, hey, mind coming down to spread that gravel I had delivered this morning? And he said he'll come down and take a look at it. So trying to save the dollars. All right, since we got our huge pile of gravel here ready to go, we want to go through and just clean up this garage, so if somebody shows up soon to spread it, it'll be ready to go. Before I get this gravel put in here, I want to knock this hop spot off. I don't know if you can really see it, but it's sticking up about 4 inches higher than the grade I want it to be. You might be able to see it better from this angle, but I got that hump knocked down and got everything in here graded enough to put a little gravel in here and get it ready for concrete. Filling her in with gravel. That's how you get her done. Got it done. Guy came down and spread it for me. Only charged 40 bucks, so can't complain. If I would have called an excavator to come do this, you're looking at delivery charge and then the labor to do it in time. So, you know, I definitely have some handwork I gotta do, but quicker and cheaper than me doing it. All right, since the attic doesn't get drywall, I can go ahead and go up there and install a little light receptacle combo. Got another one to install. Then I put the switch in the other day. I'm just going to put the plate cover on it. Another thing I want to try to get done is, if you look back here, all this I'd like to try to level out a little more so I can put a little bit of gravel in there for the concrete porch. So I called the insulator yesterday, and he's going to get started soon. I think he may wait till after deer season. So in West Virginia, deer season's a big deal. I think you got Thanksgiving you got to deal with too. So it might be not until after next week to get the insulation in. But hey, better late than never. Okay, that was day 105. Just a little recap. I got the driveway covered in gravel and spread in the garage. So right now the garage is pretty well ready for concrete. Cleaned up around the house. Got the broken bricks moved. And in the attic I got the lights put in and a little switch cover put on. So, alright guys, thanks for watching. See you again.